Hey there, I just created a promotional video for my School of Rock using generative AI. Check it out.
Join my School of Rock today, where you can learn to be a rock star like my pal Animal here.
Pretty cool, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to take images and turn them into a video with your own voiceover. Let's check it out. Okay, to get started, open up your browser and head on over to KlingAI.com. You'll find a link in the description below. Okay, once here, you're going to click on Create at the top right. Okay, we're now in the app. Over here on the left, you're going to notice here that I am already logged in. You'll find a sign in or sign up button over here where you can get signed up for free. Notice here that I have 91 credits to use to make various projects. This is under the free account. So first thing I want to do is click into Assets. And this is where you will upload your assets that you want to use in your projects. So I'm going to go here to my uploads. And you can see here that I have uploaded various images. Today, I'm going to be using these two images in my video project. And just to call out, if you're wondering, the way I made this Muppet character was by simply uploading an image to ChatGPT and then providing the prompt to create a version of this image that looks like a Muppet character. Okay, now I'm going to go over here to video to create my video project. All right, from here, you'll notice on the left, I have a start frame and an end frame. So the idea here is I need to upload two images. So I'll go to start here and I'll click add start frame and I'll select from my history. All right, and I'll go to my uploads. And this one will be my start frame, so I'll select this one and confirm. All right, now I'll click on my end frame here, select from history, uploads, and this is my end frame. Confirm. All right, so now you can see we have our start and end frames. So now I'm going to scroll down, and here you can provide a prompt. And here you can provide a prompt to describe how you want your video to look. The opening character will be speaking enthusiastically. Midway through the video, the other character will slide up from the bottom and wave his arms with excitement. All right, down below that, I'm going to come down to negative prompt. What this allows you to do is type in descriptions of things that you do not want to show up in your video. So here are some items that I placed in the negative prompt area. These are things I do not want in the results. Okay, that's pretty much all I need to do to prepare it. Now I'm going to go down to the bottom. You're going to see here that this is going to cost me 35 credits and I have 91, so I'm okay there. We'll see the 91 at the top right. And I'll go ahead and click generate. All right, the task is submitted and the generation is in progress. Over here, you'll see at the bottom right, we have the one task in progress, and I could click here to view details. All right, notice that it's in the queue and the generation has begun. Also, I have an estimated waiting time of 3 minutes. All right, I'll go get a cup of coffee and then I'll come back. Okay, looks like our video is finished. Let's go ahead and play this back and take a look. All right, well, it's not quite what I wanted. I kind of wanted Animal to pop in there sooner, midway through the video, but he only popped up there for the last second. So I could go back in here and I could revise my prompt here to try and improve that outcome. Let's give that a try. Instead of saying midway through, I'll say 3 seconds into the video. And let's see if that makes an improvement. Because now I'm being very specific about a time frame. And I'll go back down and click on generate. Okay, this one's ready to preview. Let's take a look. Still pops up only at the last moment, but it seemed like it was a little bit better. Okay, the final step here is to add the audio. I'm going to go down to lip sync. And here I can either use text to speech, or I can do upload local dubbing and upload my own audio file. In this case, I'll go ahead and use text to speech. All right, let's go ahead and play this back.
Hey there, join my School of Rock today, where you can learn to be a rock star like my Paul animal here.
All right, you'll notice that the time is 5.6 seconds. However, my video is only 5 seconds. So what I'll need to do is reduce the length of my message so I get it under that 5-second limit. So I'll go ahead and take out this front part. And the other thing we can do here is we can choose other voice types. We also have filters.
Join my School of Rock today, where you can learn.
Join my School of Rock today, where you can learn to be a rock star.
I think I like this one right here. And if I scroll down a little bit more, here I have a speech rate, so I can actually speed it up. That will also reduce the total amount of time of the spoken word. Below that, we can also apply emotion. So in this case, I want a very excited message, so I'm going to choose happy. All right, let's go up at the top and let's take a listen.
Join my School of Rock today, where you can learn to be a rock star like my pal Animal here.
Perfect. Okay. Now notice here, down at the bottom, this is going to cost me 5 credits. I'll click Generate, Task Submitted, and over here we can click View. Looks like this is going to take about 7 minutes. I'll be right back when this has completed. Okay, we are finished and ready to preview. Let's take a look.
Join my School of Rock today, where you can learn to be a rock star like my pal Animal here.
Not too shabby. The lip sync looks really good. Of course, it is a Muppet. However, you can do this with photos of real people as well, and the lip sync is very, very good. All right, and I can download this video right here and use it in other projects. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below, and I'll see you on the next one.